Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a quick and effective routine that can transform your upper body strength, the 5-minute daily push-up challenge. Push-ups are a classic exercise that target multiple muscle groups, and dedicating just a few minutes each day can lead to significant gains. Join me as we explore this straightforward yet impactful routine that can help you build muscle strength. Before we begin these push-ups exercises, make sure to subscribe to this channel. By doing so, you won't miss out on our upcoming fitness videos. Let's get started. 1. Benefits of daily push-ups. Before we dive into the routine, let's discuss the benefits of daily push-ups. Push-ups engage your chest, shoulders, triceps, and core muscles, making them an efficient way to enhance upper body strength and definition. The beauty of this routine is that you can perform it anywhere, anytime, and it requires no equipment. 2. Proper push-up form. To ensure you get the most out of your push-ups, let's cover proper form. Begin in a plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower your body until your chest is just above the ground, keeping your elbows close to your body. Push through your palms to return to the starting position. Remember to engage your core and maintain a straight line from head to heels. 3. Modified push-ups. If standard push-ups are challenging, don't worry. You can modify the exercise to your fitness level. Perform push-ups from your knees, maintaining the same form principles. As you build strength, you can gradually transition to full push-ups. 4. 5-minute routine. Now, let's jump into the 5-minute routine. We'll perform a series of push-ups with short breaks in between. Ready? Let's go! Perform 1 minute of push-ups, followed by a 20-second break. Great job! Keep breathing and focus on maintaining proper form. You're doing amazing! Perform 1 more minute of push-ups, followed by a 20-second break. Keep that momentum going. Push through the challenge, and remember, every rep is taking you closer to your goal. Perform 1 more minute of push-ups, followed by a 20-second break. You're doing fantastic! Stay strong and stay committed to those muscle gains. Perform the last 2 minutes of push-ups. You've reached the final stretch, give it your all. These last 2 minutes can make a big difference in your progress. And there you have it, a 5-minute daily push-up routine that can transform your upper body strength. Consistency is key, so make this routine a part of your daily schedule and watch your muscles thrive. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who's ready to take on the 5-minute push-up challenge. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your progress with us. We will promptly respond to your comments or questions. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on health, fitness, and well-being. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep pushing for those gains and enjoy the rewards of your dedication.